Ew, cheese. Ew, I'm going to make some cheese crackers. This is American cheese. See, it's the cheese going on the hot dog. Ew. So you need to push hard, like, or just use your thumb. Put the cheese around it. Oh.
Looks like you make a heart. Look. It's a heart.
Yep. Oh, it's stuck. Good.
There you go.
Jesus. Yep. Make the whole thing around it. Just hold. Oh. Ta-da! I made cheese on it. It says Easy Cheese American.
Here, let me see if I can make one.
Okay, you can make one.
Thank you.
And put the cracker on top it. Let's try it. Ew, yummy.